Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be fishing at the Rocks Reserve. I'm here with Archer and I'll put his channel down below. He's got a spoon. He's got a spoon on. I've got some plastic bait on. So hopefully they'll catch us some. Also just bought a new Exceller and a Crossfire. And yeah, so before we get in, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so Archer just caught a JP. Hopefully you can send me that videos, and yeah, he got a new body cam, so hopefully we catch more fish. Alright, and yeah, so hopefully we can catch some more dogs. And yeah, it was good, decent, like 20 centimeter JP, I reckon, and nice under the bridge. Saw some little turtles over there. Hopefully we can catch. Before we just saw a eel-tailed catfish, and now we're gonna head over to the bridge. Alright. Okay, we're just walking down here. Okay, so recent update, we just were at the bridge and there's absolutely no fish taking it. We got some hits, got snagged a few times, and then we saw like a snake in the water. We saw a couple of mullets and I got a hit from a sweetie. Alright, and we're going back to the same spot. Archer caught the JP and hopefully we can catch something. And yeah, give us luck. Peace.